Welcome to another Correct tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate how to set up users with both full administrative access and restricted access. Let's get started. To open, navigate to the Help menu, select Administration, and then choose User Manager. The User Manager view has two tabs, Users and Parameters. By default, the system requires at least one character for both the first and last name and 8 characters for usernames and passwords. Only the administrator can make edits to the parameters. You can do so by making changes to the values and then selecting the Save button. To create a new user with administrative access, enter the minimum number of characters required for each category. First name, last name, username, and password. Select the Administrator checkbox and then select the Save button. Now we'll create a new user with restricted access. Select the Erase button to clear the fields and return to the Enter mode. Again, we'll enter the minimum number of characters required for each category: first name, last name, username, and password. For this user, we'll make sure that the Administrator checkbox is not selected. We'll then go over to the Access list and choose Select All button. Now we can deselect all plugins we would like to restrict for this user. In this case, we'll deselect Administrator, Update Install Now, User Manager, and Accounting Finance. Select the Save button when you're done. You can search for user accounts that match the entered criteria using the search fields, which include first name, last name, and username. If you enter a single character in a field, the first user record found starting with that character will be returned. You can use the wildcard character before, after, or before and after one or more characters to return multiple user records, which will be displayed in a selected list. User login. Quit and relaunch the Correct program. If there are multiple users, you will be prompted to log in with a username and password. For this demonstration, we're going to log in with Marcus and show you how the restricted access works. You may notice that certain plugins such as User Manager, Install New Software, and Finance are either dimmed or inaccessible for this user. Customized access is your ticket to protecting sensitive data, ensuring privacy, and reducing the risk of fraud. You have now learned how to restrict and grant access to information based on individual users' needs and management requirements in Correct Accounting. Thank you for watching.